incredible individuals who have supported me on this path. Standing here in front of you today is an advocate for Kabataan First. Arriba, Kabataan, Arriba, Manggasang Isla ni Gimo Cagaras. An advocate for Kabataan First. A hierarchy, progress, and legacy na manggahan in its people. And I am determined to use my platform to make a positive impact in the life of others. And I think we can make a better future together, whether it's by speaking up for a cause that's important to us, or giving voice to those who don't have one, or just spreading kindness and compassion. Once again, my name is Billy Brian Obrigi, a proud representative from Barangay Ravina!
I know what it's like to be an underdog. And I know what it's like to be laughed at. Also, I know what it's like to have a dream but no one believes in you. I want every single one of us to be visible, to be heard, and to be seen. Joining Mr. Guimaras for me is not just about winning the prize or gaining popularity. For the reason, this pageant has served as my stepping stone to showcase myself of what I can do. Whether I win or I lose, I want to actively devote myself to the charities of this organization. I was a person to have never considered myself a leader in the past until the people around me made me realize I was one. I am a living example of a man, not just a man, but a man with a heart for service. Kaya matutuod ni Mr. Guimaras may tagipuso. I am Francine P. Octavio, proud and dignified to represent Supang Buena Vista!
Today marks an era of global challenge, where wars, disputes, calamities, and tribulations surmount the array of the most crucial situations that everyone is experiencing. But we, Guimaras Noon, must not allow these things to uncertain our dreams and defy our future. Let Guimaras Noon and Kabataan be the safest refuge for one another and allow peace, unity, love, and understanding be the language of the human race. We shall start it today, and the time is now, by upholding the essence of camaraderie and friendship, where beauty and kindness of our beloved people becomes the most formidable and greatest power. Greetings, esteemed judges, and to my fellow Guimaras Noon. This is your candidate number 3, Del Justin Redondo Mallorca, representing the beautiful barangay of San Enrique. Thank you so much and good evening.
He who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior. I am here challenging my negative thoughts and embracing my true self, fueled with strength from the people who support and believes in me. We are Guimaras Noon. We don't let our fear or insecurity stop ourselves from becoming the best version of us. We strive and conquer, making our dreams into reality. We should stand strong and continue our fight to make Guimaras a better place.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, as we gather to celebrate the Mangaan Festival, we not only rejoice to our plentiful harvest, but also the promising future of our province, particularly the Kabataan of our province. This festival is a testament to our unity, our gratitude to the land's blessings, and our commitment to nurturing the young minds who will carry our traditions forward. Let's savor the flavor of our labor, celebrate our rich heritage, our unwavering dedication, and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead for our province. Only here in the island of Guimaras, where you can enjoy mangoes and more. I am Richard Boro, dignified to represent Alibon!
Good evening, everyone. As the color of our own Swedish mango symbolizes sunshine, happiness, and hope, it implies the youth and individuals whose excellent leadership could surely lead them towards a greener pasture. The unbearable pain of losing my younger brother disheartened me, but it leaves a valuable mission for the youth and children to commence, which is to nurture them by promoting sustainable development concerning their health and education. I feel the passion and fulfillment of rekindling their hope by continuing the legacy. It serves my purpose of joining Mr. Guimaras Charity 2024. I firmly believe that utilizing your influence to leave a positive impact in your vicinity truly defines the word charity. This is Floyd Christian Arbelua Medina, the voice of the youth. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. In the realm of pageantry, stereotypes and discrimination have often cast shadows over the stage. But tonight, I am here to challenge these misconceptions. As a contestant of Mr. Guimaras pageant, I've witnessed the dedication of this organization into meaningful initiatives. And despite the negativity, I can proudly declare myself as a mabaskog na lalaki, breaking barriers to represent not just my municipality, but the spirit of true Guimarães. Because we are inspirations, the embodiments of success. I am a man with a vision and a mission. Mabaskog ako because I am more than ordinary. I am Mr. Guimaras. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Jazer Patrick Hurtada, proud and dignified to represent the new Poblacion Buena Vista. And I have spoken.
We must believe in the power of our dreams. As a varsity basketball player of Iloilo Doctors College, I am able to pursue my dream to be a police officer and to give back to my family, into our community. I stand here tonight as an epitome of dedication, willing to inspire my fellow kabataang Guimarães with my skills and enthusiasm in sports. As a Mr. Guimaras, I am beyond ready not to wear the crown, but win the heart of our beloved Guimaras. Together, we will create an impact and change our community through masculinity and responsibility. We will go beyond Guimaras.
Known for the sweetest mangoes in the world, and they're known for its breathtaking beaches, historical landmarks, and hospitable locals. With all these qualities that province Guimaras hold, there is this one setback that our beloved province is experiencing, which is the lack of accessibility to our sources, as we are limited on what is available within us. As a charity of Mr. Guimaras, I will use this platform to be the vessel and to amplify the needs of our community. I am an advocate of sustainable tourism and development, and I will use my advocacy, especially to the youth and our generation. Thank you.
Kumusta? Isa sa pinakamabudlay sa abton nga pamangkotanon. Bilang kumatanon, isa sa pinakamabudlay nga sitwasyon ang sa karon. Iba niya pamatanon sa karon, problema nga gamay, ang solusyon, inaway. Sige lang worry, pero never said I'm sorry. Mental health stress results to suicidal cases. That's why I advocate for strengthening mental health by rooting into DFA. I want to encourage people, especially the youth, to engage in the things that will strengthen their faith, for them to see the real essence of life. As an Sakistan, it lessens my worries and fears. I know I still have more to conquer, yet I have no fear, for He is with me. I am MJ Sigag now, proud and dignified to represent San Miguel, Hortan.
before you as voice for the children of Guimaras who face the challenges that hinder their growth and potential. Let us unite to provide education, healthcare, and opportunities and protect the natural beauty of Guimaras. Together, we can uplift the life of our children and ensure their dreams to take flight. This pageant is not just about the physical beauty and crown, but it's all about the legacy we wish to leave behind. Join me on this remarkable journey with Mr. Guimaras on how I improve myself and conquer my fears. I am Eduardo Espiso, proud and humble to present Barangay Kanhawan!
Good evening, everyone. Guimaras is the home of very beautiful natural resources from beaches, mountains, but I firmly believe the best natural resources of Guimaras town is very hospitable, true heart and soul. But Guimaras is known for the sweetest mangoes in the world. As a student, I will do my strength to graduate, to achieve my goal to become a professional programmer. Further, to make my family proud, their sacrifices will be paid off. And I am Nancy Ranji Calve, 18 and proud to represent Barangay Mabini. Thank you.
Ngayong gabi, Guimaras doon, din ako sa isa ka broken family. Kagnaggan ko gid ang kapigituhon. Nabisan bugas ang una, wala kami tigangon. Subong, nagatindog ako sa inyo atuba, nga proud, gambal nga. Ang kapigatuhon, hindi rason para hindi nato malabot ang aton mga handom. Ang balganin nila, take, ako singgol, not obstacle. Ako si Adrian De Bartilala, 18, representante sa Ang Sibaste!
Thank you for selling it.